Right now, this is a stage. And that over there is where the audience sits. It's what we call a neutral space. There's nothing going on here. Nice to look at, quiet, peaceful, but nothing. When you invite an audience and you invite a group of actors, when they create something on this stage, it very, very strongly affects the people sitting over here. For a brief moment in time, we all escape together. We go on a journey of storytelling. At a very basic level, the people sitting in this chair will be entertained. They'll forget their own problems in life for a few moments. But at a higher level, what we do here could very strongly affect the people here. They could see something in the play. They could see something in the world and the storytelling that we create that could genuinely affect them in their own life, a different perspective, a different point of view. So when they go out there, they reflect upon what they saw and they actually make changes as people. It definitely is what they call life-changing. The Actors Lab and the Actors Lab Theatre is moving here at the Alex Theatre in St. Kilda. And from now on, we'll be doing, on average, 5 shows a year. We look for shows that are entertaining. We look for shows that have great stories to tell. And we look for shows that we feel are worth you coming and experiencing. These are stories that you need to listen to and experience. It's not enough to read the play at home. It's a whole other thing when you enter in here and we close the door and we go off on a journey together. This is our new home, and we'd like to welcome you.